Okay, let's have a look at this. Yacht race follows the triangular course shown in the diagram. The course from P to Q is 1.8, and Q has a bearing of 58 degrees. So Q has a bearing of 58 degrees from P. So this is the 58 degrees in here. At Q, the course changed direction. The course from Q to R is 2.7 at an angle of 74 degrees. So what is the first question that they're asking? First question is, what is the bearing of R from Q? So as I said, what we know is that this angle in here is 58 degrees. The bearing of Q from P, so the 58 degrees is at P. This is 58. If we extended this line down here, this north-south line, you would have alternate angles, and that would be 58 degrees, and then that would tell us this angle. So that's exactly what I've done here. You've got 58 alternate angles. So now you've got this straight line, and we could figure out this angle here. I think this angle is 48 degrees. How did we do that? 180 minus 74 minus 58. This isn't the answer yet, though, 48 degrees, because what we're after is the bearing of R from Q. So because it's from Q, we're after this bearing. This bearing isn't 48 degrees, though. The bearing would be all the way around here. So that's where we get the 360 minus 48. This angle is 48. The bearing would be 360 minus 48, 312 degrees. The next question, what is the distance from R to P? So it's this distance. Let's clean up this diagram. And in the HSC, they always talk about students trying to draw the diagrams too small. Use the paper that they give you. So let's clean up this diagram a bit. This is what we're after. Now it looks quite easy. It's just one angle. Therefore, we're using the cos rule. It's going to be a squared equals 2.7 squared plus 1.8 squared minus 2 times 2.7 times 1.8 times the cos of 74. And that's what we've got here. And we get RP squared, or the distance squared, is 7.8. So RP is 2.8. Remember, we've got to take the square root of our final answer. Thanks.